Yo, what's up everybody, I am Bloxd. In today's video I am gonna teach you how to make perfect models for Bloxd. A lot of people don't know how to make it, so today you will know. Wait guys, did you know only 19% of viewers are subscribed to my channel? That's too bad. Please subscribe to my channel to fix that. First, we need Blockbench for that. A lot of people use that, but I don't know how to make it. So, web blockbench.net. Open that. You can also download Blockbench app, but you can also use webblockbench.net. It's free. You can also change settings. So, generic model, create new model. I'm gonna use 10 by 10 texture size. File name to, I wanna change diamond sword. Confirm. Okay, this is workspace, this is texture side, and this is object side. Don't touch the animate, it won't work. You can change the texture, so you can edit the model here. Okay, so first we need to make a cube. Add cube, Control N. Wait, no, it's web, so click this, add cube, and set size to 1 by 1. We also need texture for that, so create texture, select blank 10 by 10. You can also apply texture, so I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna delete this one, and now we have diamond sword texture. So right click on the cube, texture, select or texture. As it's black because this we need to fix it. Okay, select this, press shift, hold shift and click all of sides. You can move it to black first, so we are gonna make it. So let's start making. Copy that and paste. Elements, don't select UV face, it will just broken, you can't fix it. Select elements, and now we copy it. Okay, copy that again, paste. So I need to change that texture, so click this, hold shift and select all faces or Control A, then select this color by UI. Okay, copy that again, select it, select this side, hold shift, and if you press Control A, it will automatically select all faces. So you can change also size. You can see right side and set size to 3, size X. Okay, it's easy, man. Okay, I finished my model. So what are you gonna do? You need to create a group folder. So name it whatever you want. Okay. So select all cubes by holding shift. Okay, now we have a model. So we need to choose a position. Don't change size by this side because, as you can see, it's broken right now. So it's not going to right there because why is it's 7x7 texture. Okay, again we need to make it 8x8 and we will delete it. So a model is ready. Right now you're gonna do is file, export, select export GLTV model and select binary GLB. So set export model scale to 1. If you make it loader, if you choose the higher level, it will be just extremely small. So select 1, disable export animations, we don't need that, it will broke. Okay, as you can see the model is ready. Go to Bloxd, open file explorer, create a folder, name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it tutorial model. Open that, a new folder, name it models. Don't make mistake, it will be involved. So go to diamond sword, go to right there and remove this one thing. Okay, our model is finished. Now you're gonna do is click right here, this window, and download, select this your pack, upload and apply. Now as you can see, this model is completely broken. It's looking so ugly, but if you drop it, it looks normal. Okay, let me teach you how to fix it. Go to Blockbench again, but it's deleted. Right now you can see recover models. Blockbench was closed without saving. Do you want to recover the models? Yes, click recover, and as you can see, our model is back. I forgot to save the model because I thought it will work. So go to file, save your model, and you save it the model. No. Okay, what are you gonna do? texture was looking like this. Select diamond sword, click R, I'll click this. So wait, no, you can see PowerPoint. Click this center pivot and we can rotate it 118. It will look like this and it's good. Okay, yeah, the model is almost finished and we are gonna move it to center. Select diamond sword again, press V or select this, move, and we can't move it because it's snapping. We are gonna do type here minus 0.5 or no 0.5, wait, okay, now I moved it to center. Yeah, if you don't like this solids, just right click preview scene, show grids. Yeah, if you click G you can see this outlines. Okay, go to file, export model, export GLB. Okay, select binary, export model scale to 1, close export animations. Yeah, okay, now we are gonna remove this one thing. No, cut that, open tutorial models and delete this one, its old one, and paste. Remove one thing again, it won't ask you. Okay, now we can close it, close Blockbench, upload the tutorial pack, apply, reload. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work. Yup, as you can see, it's now completely fixed. So if you like the video, please subscribe and leave a comment, leave a like for more videos. If you can't fix your model, tell me in the comments. I will try to make a video about it or tell in the comments. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Hope you liked the video and see you in next videos.